Babe, we can go for Destiny this weekend.
Good evening.
You hear me say right? We can go for Destiny, we're good.
Oh, finally. After what? 2, 3 weeks? 4? I don't know. Who's counting? You were counting? I were counting.
Patsy, me not understand. Me tell you say me da go through some things and me I go sort it out. So now me sort it out, we're good.
You again, and you? Well, we need for that.
Me, I want me to miss.
Enough things, clearly.
What me go wrong? What me do?
Where you do, that is it. Where you do, right? You listen to yourself, you say you have a problem, so you go work it out. And when you don't work it out, you want to come back to me to tell me, say, you work it out. You not pick it up yet.
Me can't, well, me no want you work out my problem.
You are so funny and so hilarious, babe. So let me just understand this a little bit. When me have my problem, I'm gonna come to you because you are my man, no. You tell me so I must come to you so you can fix it. So when you fix it and you're over the so with yourself, you will come to me and tell me say me not supposed to help you when you have your problem. Make it make sense, now, please.
Patsy, you don't understand the delicacy of the situation. Me couldn't just involve yourself, you know.
Delicacy? Involve me? Sir, me involved by association.
No matter what me do start, it just always look at me and do something wrong.
Yeah, let me tell you where you are wrong. You ready? I hope you pay attention. Alright, let me break it down to you. Me and you in our relationship, right? And you have some issue with some big politician, boy. You send where our daughter all the way on one way. Granted, it's my mother. Fine, no problem. But you never tell me why our daughter is spending time with my mother. You understand what I say? You reach, you catch up? So, bloops, you send me our daughter, then you tell me, say, send me for daughter because there is a trend towards our daughter. But guess what? You forget there's a trend towards me. So, for daughter safe, but want to me, Want to me, Christopher? So, me not for safe too. Talk it truth. Me not supposed to save and then me there go about my business. Don't know where I'm going. Then, on top of that, you look like you switch team from one side to the next. You stay with me? Tell me say you stay with me.
Patsy, why will I go over a situation I just solve?
Oh, you just solve Hercules? Go ahead, my man. Tell me how you solve it.
Patsy, everything I made her do was a setup.
Set up. You mean like 9 nights? Like phenomenon so you have money short on them something whenever invite me?
No, you take the thing for joke.
Sorry, Mr. Hercules, sir. I'm sorry. Continue.
Minister Daly, him did a try to shut down the agency. Him did already get to me in a way. But we use that as an advantage. Because the only way to get him out is for somebody get close to him. And I did. I succumbed to take him down.
That sound like John Wick. Only thing left I did for him kill a dog.
You never say easy, you know. You never have a clue when me that forgot you.
No, but I have a clue where I got you. I'm have a clue where I got you. Remember say you're a star now? Remember good say you're sure you are the star. You're first star, second star, third star, fourth star. No, you're not fifth star, can't bounce kill a fifth star. You're a sixth star, 7 star, Ellen Lewis, say you're 8 star, 9 star, 10 star. You're the whole of the star. Remember say your constellation. Continue, babe.
You know something? I go with a shower. I kill my dry right now.
So, Mr. Superman, Mr. Hercules. What you just explained to me is that you take down one big minister. A minister with body police and something, alright? So let me ask you a question. You think so safe?
You see like how you can't just go after a politician, so. Them can't just come after we, so. Only way that can happen, I if him did take over the agency. And that must stop. Some way I understand that.
Chris, I understand what you're saying, but I want to ask you a question. You know Everton daily? You know how much links him have? Now I really want to think about it. You take down this big politician, right? Right. And after you take him down, you are going to just continue with your life just so we're going to bring back destiny in the place. Right after you just take him down, by the way. I'm going to ask you a question. You know, if you can't catch Quaco, you catch him shot them, right? All of the gangs in them, the marina, all of them. You know that, right?
Everton daily would mad if you touch none of them.